Facing multiple pieces can be used to set multiple pieces together and generate a facing with grading. In this example, a facing for the armhole will be created, reaching from the front to the back piece. Start the macro. The elements for the facing need to be selected anti-clockwise for the individual pieces. Starting in the back, then selecting the two elements for the side piece anti-clockwise, and then moving on to the front piece. These elements are collected using the right mouse button. However, the last element needs to be clicked with the left. An editor appears, allowing you to set the width of the facing. Afterwards, the macro creates the new pattern piece. Determine whether or not to include the grading. Click with the right mouse button if you want to calculate rules, or click left if the new piece should be ungraded.